if you've ever looked into FabFitFun, if you buy an annual membership versus a seasonal, which is buying one box at a time, then you get a free starter box, gift box, mega gift bundle. They call it different things all the time, but it's supposed to be worth $250. So I finally signed up for an annual membership, and so this is my gift box. It's supposed to be worth $250. So we're gonna go through it and see if it's actually worth $250, if it's worth it to actually get the annual membership if you want to do seasonal so that you can get said box, which is their hope. So let's take a look here. All right, they always have really nice artwork, so I really like that. And then there's some flowers there, if you can kind of see those too. Let's take a look inside here. We've got this thing. So let's take a look at what this is. Now, I signed up, and so my first box will actually be the summer box. So this is the only box I'm going to get in this time period. Oh, goodness. And again, this was all free with the annual subscription. Okay, this is looking like I might enjoy this bowl. Okay, oh, it's a set of nesting bowls. Okay, let's take a look. So you've got this set, and then there's another one in here. Oh, these are actually really nice. See, the nice thing about these bowls is you could actually store things in these, but then easily like present them in these. So that's a really nice pattern. So I like the two. So far so good. And tight fitting lids. So that's nice. Okay. Then we've got this, which I had FabFitFun like 6 years ago, I think. And I still have these pair of socks because they were socks for them at that time too. So they're sweater socks. I wear these mostly when I have boots on, but mine are getting kind of raggedy, so that's a good one. And then we've got this little book. It says Start Fresh Every Day. It's a productivity planner. Yeah, so basically, you know, kind of like your basic planner here. So it's got each day and daily planning, weekly overviews. So yeah, I'll definitely get some use out of that. All right, this is Fenty Skin Plush Pudding. So I'll show you that. We'll take a look at that. I've never actually had one of these. I see them all the time at Sephora, but let's take a look. Oh, okay, so it's like a twist up type situation, maybe? Oh, it's a lot of twisting up. Okay, so you twist it, and then you have a little bit that comes out, and then that's got a good texture, and it's a clear color, so that's good. I think this is supposed to moisturize your lips. And then we've got Taja Collection salad servers. Well, let's take a look. And it'll take me a little bit, but I will put on the screen at the end here what the total value for all these items are once I look up how much everything costs that they put in this box. Oops. All right. And I actually don't have any salad servers, and I was thinking that the other day. We had some friends over, and I made this really nice salad, and then I just put some spoons in it because I didn't have anything else to use it in. So if this is good, that might be nice. Okay. So that's actually cute. I really like those. You've got kind of like your fork type situation and then a spoon type situation. That looks really nice. I think that would be really nice for the dinner table. And then we've got Salt and Stone Santal and Vetiver. I don't know what that means. Body lotion. So Salt and Stone body lotion. We'll just go with that. Okay, that's the body lotion right there. Oops. Oh, you gotta like puncture it. Hold on. So let's pump some out and see how this looks. It has a very mild scent. It's not, it's not overpowering, but it's nice. It's subtle. It feels very like modern and sophisticated type scent. So that's nice. Like that. Probably use that. And then we've got this big one here. So put this over here so we can open this. So this says it's from Ken. I do like these. So what are these? These are a set of 4 ribbed wine glassware. Oh, that's really nice. Oh, I really like that. That looks fantastic. So, and are they all the same? Let's see. Oh, no, they come in different colors. Okay, so we've got kind of this bluish green color, and then we've got the pink. And then what do we have on these sides? Oh, okay, so I've got another one of the blue. Is this the same blue? Yeah, same blue. And then this one should be another pink one then. Oh, love this. So then this is the matching set to this. These are slightly different. I don't know if you can actually tell. So this one is kind of pink and this one is peach, which means these two are going to be, yep. So this one in the light, I can see a little bit better. So this one is dark blue, darker blue, and this is like a blue-green. So that's fun. I really like that. Okay, so that is everything that I got in my gift box. And I will post up here if it was worth $250, more or less than that, just so you can get a good idea. And I would love to know if anybody else has a FabFitFun annual membership, and did you get a gift box? And did you have different items? So trying to figure out if you kind of get the same items all the time, or if this is just what they're running at this time. So let me know down below if you have one, if you like it, and if you got one of these starter boxes, what you thought of your starter box. I mean, so far I'm pretty happy with everything. I mean, it's free, sort of, girl math there, and I will link all of these items in the description box down below so that if you want to order any one of these individual items and I can find them, that I will let you know. And I will also link this outfit that I have on. It's this set that I am obsessed with. It's from Altered State and it's a top and a short set that has starfish on it. I just think it's amazing. So I will link that down below as well. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love it if you give a like and consider subscribing to become part of the family. And I will show you all my FabFitFun boxes as I get them throughout the year. And that way you can decide if it's a good decision for you. Because at the end of the day, if the box doesn't have things in it, it doesn't matter if it's worth $500 and you're paying $70. If you're not going to use the items and you would have bought something else with the $70, then it's not really a deal. So we'll go through them as they come and see if it's a good fit for you or if there's items in there. I will say previously I've had seasonal memberships, and so I click on and I'm like, oh, I like those items. And then I get the seasonal box. So this is the first time I'm doing an annual membership, which is why it's the first time I'm seeing this gift box version. So we'll see how it goes. And I hope everyone has a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.